Short video blog, which is part of a series of company transactions for SMEs. Today I will be looking briefly at buying a business and giving some legal tips for the unwary. First of all, you need to structure the deal from the outset. Check out those assets that you want to buy and structure the deal to your best advantage. So if you can cherry pick assets, by all means do so. Typically, the assets being sold will include a lease of premises, goodwill, intellectual property rights, fixtures and fittings, equipment and stock. You need to consider at an early stage, are you going to buy assets or shares? If you're buying shares, this may be more tax advantageous for the seller, but will mean that you will take over responsibility for the liabilities of the company, which could include past debts or future tax liabilities from past trading activities. Consider whether you are willing to pay capital upfront or a combination of capital and income. The impact of coronavirus may mean that you need to consider future trading prospects carefully. So instead of offering the full price upfront on completion, consider an earn-out arrangement which would give the seller future compensation out of profits. Alternatively, you could consider a joint venture whereby the risks of future trading can be shared. It's important that you carry out your due diligence carefully, checking good title to the assets of the business, checking key contracts with customers and suppliers, checking employment contracts of key members of staff, checking the lease of the premises, and looking out for any potentially large outstanding repairing liabilities under the lease, which could be costly, and checking out what licenses are required to run your particular business. Ensure that you take appropriate restrictive covenants from the seller, restricting the seller from setting up a competing business, soliciting customers, or soliciting key members of staff. These restrictions do, however, need to be reasonable in order to be enforceable. So if you are contemplating buying, do please get in touch with me or any of our expert commercial solicitors, and we will be pleased to assist.